Okay, you guys, we got another snake call, and believe it or not, we're going to the same house. This is the third time. I don't know what kind of magic is going on at that house, but another snake they just called. I don't know what it is. This video is going to look a hell of a lot like the previous ones, but again, we don't know what kind of snake it is. So we're out of here, you guys. Let's go check this out. Buddy, go! Another one! It's over here.
Mấy cây con để. Cái con để luôn. Cái con này. Không phải con.เอาเดินอ้อมมาไปบริรอดหลังคามันเคยนอนอยู่นี่
นะคะ It seems like it's sleeping.
เป็นก่อนมันจะไปกินจิ้งจกแล้วก็นอนอยู่หลังบ้านมันไม่เห็นออกไปเดือนนั่นแหละที่เห็นนอน
Here. Wow, you guys, this is crazy. Come in here and get a shot of this. This is a huge cyanea, and it either is full of eggs or it ate a whole bunch of eggs. And I think, based on the position of those lumps, I think those are all in the stomach. This snake just ate a whole bunch of eggs, but that is a huge cyanea. Do they have chickens here?
They do.
Are they missing a bunch of chicken eggs?
I haven't asked them yet, so. So that is not her own eggs?
No, because they're too high.
Oh,
They're in the stomach.
I see.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
Oh my gosh.
Or it could have eaten a snake. No, those feel like individual lumps. This snake either ate a bunch of eggs, or, here, let's move out a little bit here. I feel like this snake probably ate a bunch of eggs.
That's what I thought.
That's crazy.
It's look.
And that is a huge cyanea. That is the biggest I have seen here for sure.
Can you pick her up or him up and then show us the bump? Or it's okay.
You mean move to the people so we can ask?
It's fine. Or I want to see. The camera couldn't pick up all those bumps.
It's just that this snake is so heavy. Oh my goodness. I am so glad that we roll out to all these instead of just lounging around and like blowing off these calls, because you never know what it's going to be. It could be some real common animal, or it could be something like this. This is the craziest thing I have seen. This is wild. I'm supporting the weight because this snake is like 3 times its normal weight. It is so heavy. It is just full of whatever that is in the stomach. I think it's chicken eggs. Wow. That is crazy. Whoa, wow, dude, that is nuts. It doesn't seem particularly defensive. I don't want it so close to my hand, but okay, wow. That is amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now the trick is going to be if we can transport it without causing it to regurgitate the food. So let me very delicately put it. Do they want to see it? I think they want to see it. So do they have chickens here?
Yes.
Are they missing 6 or 7 eggs?
Yes, he does it. Just
Really?
now, yes. พี่แกนต้องทำเบาๆค่ะ ถ้าเราทำจับเข้าแรงๆเดี๋ยวเขาจะreverse หมายถึงว่าเขาจะกระท้อนเขาเรียกว่าอะไรภาษาไทยเราจะฆ่าจะแบบคายอาหารออกมาเวลาเขาตกใจ
มันเคยไปกินจิ้งจกอยู่ประตูหลังบ้านนะ2 ครั้งนาจาเกือบเหยียบตั้ง2 ครั้งแล้วไล่มามันก็มานอนตรงนี้เลยครับแต่ว่าไม่เห็นมาประมาณ2 เดือนแล้วที่ไม่เห็นไม่เห็น
He said this same snake like to come out at night and try to catch house gecko in the back of his house.
Sure.
His son saw it 2 times in the last 2 months. So they've been missing it. So now he or she coming back and
Well, house
ate a
geckos are
whole-
too small for this.
yeah,
This one
whole
wants
eggs.
this one wants your
จะมี
chicken
ไข่
eggs.
มีไก่ไว้ไข่ไว้ตลอด
ตรงตะกร้าน่ะเหรอคะ
ใช่ครับบริเวณนั่นแหละ
He said around that area in that basket is will get some chicken. They will lay eggs in that area often.
So they smell it.
So yes, so this snake come in
Wow.
and ate it.
Okay, cup and cup.
ขอบคุณนะคะ ขอบคุณนะคะสวัสดีค่ะ